those of us who are saved by Christ are not dismayed at the signs of the times, of the season that we're in, because we know that there is a promise at the end of it. It's not nice to see what this world is becoming, but we have a real hope, even in the midst of such craziness in this world. And boy, is it getting crazy out there. Everything being turned upside down in this world. We have a real hope, and that's what we encourage each other with. But for those people out there who are not saved by Christ, maybe it's time to start thinking about your eternity and your eternal salvation, because this is real. Hell is real, and the TV and cinema and music videos, they're all being used as a window into hell. This is all hellish. But Jesus has already defeated this. This is all anti-Christ, because he is the Christ, he is the Messiah. And he's already provided a way out of condemnation for my sin, for your sin. He's already done it. He died on the cross and he defeated death. There is real living water to quench your spiritual thirst so that you may never thirst again. If you confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God has risen him from the dead, and you'll be saved. Because the Son of Man, the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, the God of all things, he humbled himself to die on the cross, to become a sin offering, to become a perfect sacrifice to save you from your sins. Yes, the God of all things loves you that much that he became flesh, walked this earth, lived the perfect life for you, showed you the way, died on the cross for your sins, and rose again to defeat the power of death and hell. He saved you. You either accept or reject that gift, and it is a gift. It cannot be earned. And that is the most amazing love story that I've ever heard in my life, in the whole universe. That is the story of this life, that God has saved you. Don't reject the only way to heaven. Don't pay for your own sins for all eternity when he has already redeemed you at a high price. Thanks for listening, guys.